What if we told you that there are some health hacks that can completely transform your well-being and you've probably never even heard of them? Well, get ready to learn some secrets that many people don't know about. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. These simple, yet powerful health hacks can boost your energy, reduce stress, and improve your overall health. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secret health hacks that can change your life. Here are some of them. Drink water first thing in the morning. Many of us reach for coffee or tea as soon as we wake up, but drinking a glass of water first thing in the morning can provide a multitude of benefits. Drinking water on an empty stomach can help flush out toxins, boost metabolism, and improve digestion. Additionally, staying hydrated can help maintain healthy skin, aid weight loss, and prevent headaches. Practice gratitude. Practicing gratitude is a simple but powerful health hack. Taking a few moments each day to focus on the things we are grateful for can improve our mood, reduce stress, and boost our overall well-being. Gratitude can also help us cultivate a positive mindset, which can lead to greater happiness and better health outcomes. Practice deep breathing. Deep breathing exercises are a simple way to reduce stress and improve overall health. Slow, deep breaths can help lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and promote relaxation. One easy technique is to inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4, hold your breath for a count of 7, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 8. Stand up and move around. Sitting for extended periods of time can have negative effects on our health, including increased risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. Taking regular breaks to stand up and move around can help counteract these negative effects. Even short bursts of activity, such as a quick walk around the office or some light stretching, can make a difference. Eat fermented foods. Fermented foods, such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir, are rich in beneficial bacteria that can improve gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is important for overall health, as it can influence digestion, immune function, and even mood. Incorporating fermented foods into your diet is an easy way to support your gut health. Take a cold shower. Taking a cold shower may not sound appealing, but it can have numerous health benefits. Cold showers can improve circulation, boost the immune system, and reduce inflammation. Additionally, they can promote mental alertness and improve mood. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. This can involve techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or simply paying attention to your surroundings. Practicing mindfulness can reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and enhance overall well-being. So, there you have it. We hope you found these secret health hacks helpful and inspiring. Remember, improving your health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these simple, yet effective tips, you can take charge of your physical and mental well-being and experience the benefits that come with a healthier lifestyle. So, start incorporating these health hacks into your daily routine and let us know how they work for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content.